You see them in the dream, and you wake up feeling sick.
Yes, sir.
You throw up, you cough,
Yes, sir.
and you bring out blood.
Yes, sir.
Out! 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 Look at the blood. Do you stay alone? It's a room, right? It's a small room.
Yes, sir.
But you sleep too much. The moment you lie down, they cause you to sleep. There's something I used to patch on the roof of your building. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Those are the activities of witchcraft. So you see them in the dream, and you wake up feeling sick.
Yes, sir.
You throw up, you cough,
Yes, sir.
and you bring out blood.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, what's that? Picture. I want the camera to pick this. What's that? Give it to. Is that your vomit?
Yes, sir.
You bring out like
Yes, sir.
this morning.
Day before yesterday.
You brought the blood out.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Were you coughing or something? How much do you pay for that house?
I'm not paying any money. I'm working for a security. They just give us up an apartment.
They want to kill you people. Today is the last day of it. But let's teach them small lesson.
Amen.
Which one is amen? Let's teach them small lesson, so they won't be able to do that. Jesus. 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 Out! 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 Look at the blood. The last one will come out and you will go home. From today, you become untouchable. They won't be able to touch you anymore. And God frees you, free your heart.